Hey friends, how are you? How are you all? Are you fighting in this tough time of COVID 19? And if you are fighting, you are a fighter. I know you are not liking this time because you cannot go out, you cannot explore various places, but it is very important that we all have to gather and we have to fight against this deadly virus. And I believe, I am 100% sure we will achieve this. Today my topic is for the chemical engineering students, for the chemistry students. The most important aspect of any chemical, any startup of chemistry is an element. And for an element, it is very important to study, to know the periodic table. Now there are so many elements, you cannot remember at once which element you want to use, but if you could remember the periodic table, it would be great. So, and frankly speaking, few of us can remember the periodic table. I have achieved the thing. I can remember whole periodic table at once. And if I have some knowledge, I like to share with you all. So today I'm gonna teach you. I'm giving you one trick how to remember the periodic table on finger. So I have decided to cut this video in 10 separate parts. So for that we will remember only 10 elements from 1 to 10 in this video. In the next video, next week, from 11 to 20. The next one, 21 to 30. So this is our target. And I'm telling you, in 10 days you will remember the whole periodic table. That's for sure. Just like my previous video of pressure units conversions. Now I think you know how to convert one pressure unit to another pressure unit. So let's start. Frankly speaking, till now there is no trick available to remember this table. Why? Because it is very tough. Because all elements are arranged in some order, like weight, some properties, gases, etc. So in today's video, for the elements 1 to 10, there is no separate like algorithm or like mathematical procedure to remember the elements. But you know one word, Hakuna Matata. Many of us we don't know what is the meaning of Hakuna Matata, but likewise we have to remember this. So what we'll do, we will remember this word. Now listen carefully. First two elements you can always remember. One is hydrogen, second is helium. Now for 3 to 10, you have to remember this word. Listen carefully. Now listen carefully, students or friends. Libebakanofane. Just like Hakuna Matata. Libebakanofane. Watch this. First two elements that is very easy to remember, that is hydrogen, helium. This is 1, this is 2. Now from 3 to 10, I told you one word, that is Libebakanofane. That is Libebakanofane. So Li is lithium, The fourth one, Ba is beryllium. Fifth one, boron. Carbon is 6. Nitrogen is 7. Oxygen is 8. Fluorine is 9. And neon is 10. Is it easy? Hydrogen, helium, and libebakanophony. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. If you remember this word, you can definitely remember these 10 elements. Now practice. It will take just half an hour to remember this word. Initially you will think that, oh, why should I remember this kind of awkward word? But guys, listen carefully. As per my previous video, you can remember the bad things, the slang things very easily. But for the normal words, like very complex words, you take time. But for this word, libebakanophony, repeat, libebakanophony, it is very easy to remember. And today only you will remember the 10 elements of periodic table. If you like my video, then only you subscribe my channel and wait for my next video. I'm gonna showing you trick to remember the elements from 11 to 20.